Hello everybody, welcome back to These Nerdy Things. Got 3 packs of, yeah, you guessed it, we've got Stronghold again. I'm still on that train, trying to find the mocks. Let's just get into it. Hope everyone's having a good day. See what we have here. First pack, 2, 3, 4. Get the commons real quick. Alright. Commons can go over here. First uncommon, we have a Victual Sliver. 1 sliver coming right up. Second uncommon is a Convulsing Lizard. Third uncommon is a Shifting Wall. Alright, let's see what the rare is. Let's peek. Alright, it's black. Can it be a Grave Pact? It's not. It is Revenant. A 5 mana star flying, and it has power and toughness equal to the number of creature cards in your graveyard. So, Revenant, rare there on pack 1. Get into pack 2. See what we can get. Oops. Trying to be somewhat delicate, but also not really. Alrighty, 1, 2, 3, 4. Commons. Go over here. Alright, first uncommon pack 2 is Bullwhip. Haven't seen Hearthstone in a while, so let's see if we can't get one of those. Second uncommon is a Corrupting Lizard. We got our second lizard. Third uncommon is Primal Rage. Nice. 2 mana enchantment. All creatures you control gain trample. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Let's see what our rare is. It is black again. Well, the only real good rare that's black is Grave Pact, so, yep, Mortuary. Jeez. Swing and a miss for our second pack. Alright, come on, third pack. See what we got. See if we can't totally redeem ourselves. That's the one good thing about this set, is you can totally redeem yourself with 1 card. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tortured Existence. Alright. Commons. First uncommon is a Gliding Lizard. Each pack has had a uncommon lizard. Second uncommon is another Victual Sliver. Last uncommon is a Ransack. Okay, last rare. Let's see what we got. Really? We got another Volrath Stronghold. See, that's what I'm saying. Very nice. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Second Volrath Stronghold in, like, what, I think I got one in my last openings. So, very, very nice. See, this is what I'm talking about. Everything can go from, oh, not a very good opening, to, oh yeah, that's a pretty nice darn opening. So, alright, Volrath Stronghold, some black janky rares. We did get a Primal Rage there, though. Very nice uncommon enchantment. So, alrighty, well, as always, thank you everybody for coming along on this Stronghold journey with me. I hope you have a great day.